Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add expenses to your party on the BACH application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that you should tap on this expenses button down below, which is the fourth option, and after that you should click on the create expenses button in the middle of the screen. Here you can select from the two options, from itinerary or other. Then you should set the or decide whether you would like to set it to private by tapping on this circle, and here you should add the title of your expense. So type in the title, and here you can set the total cost, and then you can add the date as well and provide a description. Type it in and then click on the button next at the top. Here you can select the expense members, then click on the button next again, and here you can decide whether you would like it to be an equal split, or you can also customize it by typing in the percentage that you would like to, how you would like to split it, and then click on the next button at the top and click on the create button so that your expense will be added to this section. That's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.